start from the very starting of VIT Chennai, Basics of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. This is your first first semester exam. So your CAT exam is near, and in that CAT exam module 1 is coming, right? So for that, you should know about the first mesh analysis, correct? What is mesh analysis? Because one numerical you will definitely get from the mesh analysis. It's 100% guaranteed, and you can mark it as important also. Okay, like from the very basic, I have taken a very basic circuit like this. We have to follow certain steps. Okay, you will move it according to the steps. Step number 1, we have to calculate the number of meshes. Okay, now just imagine this is your house. So can you tell me how many rooms are there in this house? 2 rooms, right? If there are 2 rooms, then how many people can live in these 2 rooms? 2 only, right? Suppose this is the room of I1 and this is the room of I2, correct? So there are 2 meshes. Only 2 rooms means 2 mesh, and 2 mesh, one of the mesh is A, B, E and F, correct? And another mesh is B, C, D and E, correct? Okay. Now step number 2 is mark current direction. That we have done. We have marked current direction. Now it's totally depending on you. You can mark both clockwise, both anti-clockwise, one clockwise, one anti-clockwise and vice versa. It's not an hard and fast that you have to take this sign, but I'll suggest you to take always the same, like always clockwise. That would eliminate your confusion. Got it? Now step number 3, we have to mark the sign convention, right? As you know that current is always flowing from positive terminal to the negative terminal. So current is moving from A to B, so it would be positive, negative. B to E, positive, negative. Battery bigger terminal is positive, smaller terminal is negative, correct? Now I2 is moving from B to C, positive, negative. Battery terminal will always be fixed, and this one would be positive, negative. Clear? Now we have to apply KVL, that is Kirchhoff voltage law, in mesh 1. Just imagine you are standing at A position, you need to be back to A only. Okay, like just imagine this is your home. So home, after home you are going to college, college to gym, gym to mall, and then you will be back to the same position from which we have started. Correct or not? So always you have to take the second sign. Clear? Always you need to take the second sign. Now as I told you, this is your house. So these are the corner walls of your house. Correct? And in the corner wall there will be flow of single current, and this will be your middle wall of the house, correct? And in the middle wall there is a flow of double current. From this side I1 is flowing and from this side I2 is flowing, right? So now you are moving from A to B. What is the second sign? That is minus 4 I1, then minus 6. Now this is the middle branch. In the middle branch there is a flow of double current. As you can see that signs are opposite, so it would be I1 minus I2. If signs are same, like positive negative, then in that case the current would add with each other. Clear? Now E to F nothing is there, F to A, that would be how much? What is the second sign that comes in the path? Plus. So that would be equal to plus 10 equal to 0. Back to the same position, right? Now you tell me the equation for the mesh 2. Hmm. Started from B point, move from B to C, because current is moving like B to C. It's always better to move in the direction of current. B to C, C to D, D to E, E to B. Okay, tell me. Minus 8 I2, 8. Hmm. Minus 20, minus 6 I2 minus I1 would be equal to 0. So now two variable and two equations, right? Clear? Easy? Okay. Now let's do this question. This is from your 2022 paper of VIT only. Okay. Now I think you will be able to do this question more easily. This is I1, this is I2, and this is I3, right? Now first step, current they have already marked. Second step, mark the sign convention, right, according to the direction of current. Now you tell me the mesh 1 equation. Mesh 1 is ek I1 equation, so you have to properly write down, like apply KVL in mesh 1. Tell me. Minus 4 I1 minus 3 minus 9. Very good. I1 minus I3, then minus 3 I1 minus I2 would be equal to 0. Now similarly for mesh 2, tell me the another equation. This is I2, mesh 2, 10 minus 3 I2 minus I1 minus 9 minus 2 I2 would be equal to 0. Now mesh 3, 9 minus 9 I1 hmm, hmm, plus 14 is equal to 0. Now you know how we can solve these three variable three equations in the calculator.